No, those aren't my tracks. That's my real hair. Is it gone? Alright, hey guys. So, I was in bed, and I was like thinking of like YouTube stuff to do, because I never know what to do for YouTube, because I'm like... Okay, so, and then I was laying there and I was like, I saw someone do this video where they follow Tana Mongeau's makeup tutorial, like step by step, like how to cake your face like a pro. And I was like, that would be so funny if like a real makeup artist did that. Like, not saying she wasn't. Okay, yeah, so that is what I'm gonna do today. Oh, this should be funny. I'm gonna tag her, I'm gonna like give her link down below in my bio, whatever. What's it called? Description, because I don't know what her at was or anything like that, because I forgot, but I'm gonna link her, don't worry. But yeah, so let's get into it. Can someone stop calling me? Alright, so I'm gonna add in the clip of her like talking on the corner, I'm assuming. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I really don't know how to do that type of editing, because I've never done it before, so let's just, yeah, okay.
Thing you're gonna do is use some hand sanitizer, because why the fuck would you wash your hands when you could just like not, you know? Then I'm gonna...
I like the only time I wash my hands for makeup is when I do it on clients, so like that's a step for Tana. I'm like, whoa.
I've yet to decide if this does anything at all, but like I just think it's really cool.
I'm not
using it. It might just be like water. Have you guys seen those bottles of Evian that they sell in Sephora? And it's literally... Then you're gonna use Benefit Professional.
Okay, I have that. I absolutely hate it, and it makes my makeup slide off, but I'll put it on. So she's using a really dirty, like fucked up, like Benefit Professional, and I don't own any like really fucked up products, so I'm gonna use like a...
Then you're just gonna put way too much of this on your hand, like way too fucking much.
I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want to fuck up my skin. Like a nice one, so... Alright, so...
You're gonna put it everywhere, because there's not one part of my skin that doesn't have like giant pores. But my skin has gotten so much clearer since the first time I filmed these videos, I must say, and that's because I have a good skincare routine that I do like once a week because I'm gross. But this literally...
Oh my god, this shit gives me cystic acne. Alright.
Why would it have a lid, and why would it be clean? Just look at that. Okay, fuck this. Like, you don't even care. Like, the joke isn't even funny. Like, who fucking cares? It really is, like, the best primer that you can ever buy, ever. I feel like every other primer is so shitty compared to this.
Don't listen to her. I'm gonna say that so much. I love her, but, like, don't listen to her. Okay.
So I highly recommend it. I'm a beauty girl. This foundation. Not only do I have not one, not
two,
it's
the Marc Jacobs
3 of the same foundation in my makeup case, because I'm terrified of running out, and I love
it. Okay, so I have the
like it will cover any imperfection on your face, but instead of like the one that I used to use, it's super thin, and that's why it's like mind-blowing to me, because it's so thin, and it's literally the consistency of like a moisturizer, but then it covers everything, and it stays on for like 24 hours. It's not drying. Like, it does everything every foundation I've ever loved does, but like all in one. Like, it feels so lightweight, but it covers everything, and it's just so...
Imagine if somebody hyped me up as much as she's hyped this foundation up. Alright, so I'm gonna get a the Marc Jacobs thing, and she likes to get her beauty blender and swipe the wrong way with the beauty blender once she blends it out, and that's not how you're supposed to do it. So I'm not gonna do that.
just get it like on your fucking shirt. And then wipe it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god. So you want to put it all over your neck because it's never the exact same color as your skin tone. So you want to put it all over your neck because
there's also... Please don't put that much down your neck. That's she's wrong. She is wrong. Yeah, she seems to swipe hers. I'm not gonna do that because that's not how you're supposed to do it. So I'm just gonna dab mine.
I should sometimes make your foundation really streaky. Make this look so...
okay, if anyone thinks I'm shading her, I'm absolutely not. Like, I literally love her so much. That's kind of the point of this video. It's not to shit on her, it's to love her. This is so trippy. I haven't done my foundation and not my eyebrows first in literally years.
Beauty blend it. I take just like a flat top synthetic brush. I think I used this in my last video.
Oh
like,
no!
All around my skin and like swirl the foundation around. Just because I'm super anal about like anything looking streaky or like unblended. I like hate when you look at someone's foundation and you can like see like where they put it on, brush streaks or like anything like that. Like,
don't do that.
Don't need an under eye. I found one that is just as good, if not a little bit better, and that is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer.
Okay, I have that.
She like just
Alright, let me go grab that that's over there. I have not used it in like since I was like 12. Okay, so
this I go a bit more like contoured, and then I put it on any little like
My favorite part about this video is how she's trying to act like the most educated beauty guru in the world. Like me, fucking too. Again, she smears her, so let's just
and then on the top of my nose,
Tana Mongeau way. You gotta make ugly faces like her. And like look in the monitor, but not the actual camera.
So like, this in. I don't go over this with a brush.
Okay, so concealer's done. Let's see what she does next.
So my skin, so that it's like, I don't like to move it around everywhere. I like it to be like exactly where I placed it. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I don't think that I used this in my last How to Get setting powder I will ever find in my entire life.
She's wrong. Yeah, Cody,
I think I hate it about every.
Oh, okay. I actually like that contour kit, so let me grab that. So I have the shade and light, and I'm gonna see what she does with it. Like what brush? Okay, good. She used like a condensed brush because I was expecting her to be like, so here's my contour brush, and I'm just gonna stipple it in. Alright, so I have my like. This is what I use for contour. I'm gonna use the same shade that she used.
You see beauty gurus do, but like I'm a fucking beauty guru, so. And I just do this very fast and vigorous because I feel like that makes it blend better, but like it totally doesn't. I'm just
foundation.
Like,
oh my god, dude.
I'm also really weird and like I put this on my eye. I'm a fucking beauty guru, so.
Oh, I have to do the face that she does.
Very fast and vigorous.
I have to do the face that she does, and like.
It totally doesn't. I'm just lazy and like want things to be done quickly. I'm also really weird and like to put this on my eye makes my shitty nose contour look a little more real because it just like blends into the eye. I don't.
This video was filmed 2 years ago, and I want to say. To all of Tana's fans, you guys have stuck through some hard times, clearly. And I'm proud. Like, y'all did that. Alright, so now for my jawline, because I don't have one, I'm just gonna fucking go in ham. Like, get as much powder as I possibly can, and I'm just gonna carve that bitch out. So we're good, I think.
I don't know what I'm doing. Then I just like take the yellow powder.
Did not just use the same big brush.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill my brows in. I'm a fucking beauty guru. So this eyebrow powder, this shade, I've been using the same one. This is Urban Decay's eyeshadow.
I don't have that, so I'm gonna get out my powder dip brow because I won't do dip brow because she doesn't do her brows as dark as I do.
She makes it look really good.
So I'm gonna get out my brow powder in the shade soft brown. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because I can't focus when I'm So I'll be right back.
They never look the same.
Okay, so I did my brows and everything. I didn't do them on camera because like I'm like very incompetent with my. Okay, so I just got my brows done, and then like I'm very incompetent with doing them or doing anything on the camera with my hands because if it's near my eyes or like here, do the video and we'll get all of that.
I've actually been wearing eyeshadow. I used to never wear eyeshadow and I really hated the way it looked. Lately, I've actually been wearing eyeshadow and it's been a really weird experience. So today I'm going to be trying Kylie Cosmetics.
I never bought, I don't have anything by Kylie. I feel like it's just so overpriced and like ColourPop did it better. So I don't have the palette that she has, but... So I don't have the Kylie Jenner palette, but I do have the Jeffree Star like the Androgyny palette, and that's like kind of the same thing. And then I have like this random B Bella palette that I really fuck with. So like they're the same colors, like orangey based. So we're gonna work with that. Let's see what she does.
And I'm excited because I'm Kylie Jenner trash, so I'm like be confident in it. Like I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of hate, like oh my god, the eyeshadow sucks so bad. The fact that she thought this was like a tutorial, like what a dumb bitch. So like this is how I'm doing it. Like,
me with all my Instagram tutorials.
It might be really shitty. So I'm gonna start off with my transition shade in the crease because I'm a fucking beauty girl and I know what that is. I think I'm gonna use a mixture of these two colors.
Okay, so she's using the brown and orange. Alright, so in the androgyny I'll be using the shade Safe Word and Charm, which is the orange and the brown, so yeah. And she seems to like pull her skin like this and then do it, but I don't want to fuck up my makeup and I also don't want to get wrinkles at 20 like she did. So I'm gonna not do that and I'm gonna be very patient. I'm gonna pull my mirror back and I'm gonna tilt my head and we're gonna blend like a beauty guru. I'm joking.
The brown on the outside, and then I'm gonna put this through my crease with a really big fluffy brush. I think that it looks more blended. That's a really pretty color. I'm coming. Wow. Now, honestly, really
oh, let's do it like her too. Hold on. Make sure you've never washed your brushes. Just kind of just.
Now, honestly, if you're like a super beginner at eyeshadow and you want to just like ease into it, you can totally just put a transition color like this in the crease, blend it out really well, and then digital beauty guru. So I'm gonna do like 18 more steps because I fucking know what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna take this white color and put this all on the inner corner and the inner half of my eyelid.
Alright, she's using a lighter color. I'll be using the shimmer.
Cosmetics, fuck my pussy. These eyeshadows are so fucking pigmented and nice. Now on the middle of my lid, I'm gonna put this like pinky shimmery shade.
Alright, so I'll be doing the lighter color like she said that she was doing. So
and just like blend that in.
And then I'll be placing the Jeffree Star shade in frosting on top of it as a shimmer.
Bronzy color and put that in my outer corner and blend it into my crease.
Oh, she said she was gonna darken her crease with the gray tone, so we pick up the shade Safe Word and mixing a little bit with Dominatrix. And then just going in with the in the crease.
Isn't like zoomed in on my eye and you can't really see what I'm doing. It's because it doesn't really look that good, so I want to be like zoomed down and far away so you think it looks good. Like that's what I'm going.
Yeah.
Now I might just fuck up every single thing I've done by doing this, but I'm gonna take this like burnt red brownish color and focus it on my very outer corner and then put that under my eye.
I'll be using
eyeshadow under your eye.
So I'll be using the shade Fetish, which is the red shade, like she said she used hers, and then blending that out. Then putting it underneath like she said she did with hers. Alright, so the eyeshadow's done, so I'm gonna come back for lashes or whatever she does next. So in the words of Tana Mongeau, if there's ever fallout, just swipe it the fuck off of your face with your beauty blender, and then you should be good.
I'm gonna take a liquid eyeliner that totally isn't mine and is someone else's in this house, so like I might get pink eye. And I'm just gonna put a super thin line across my eyelid to blend my lashes into my lash line.
Okay. I personally don't do that because it makes my eyes look small, so I'm not gonna do that because, actually, yeah, I'll just do it. And she did it off camera and like really ugly, so I'm gonna do that too. And she said like make sure to mess up, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, let's see what she does.
Small line, and then you keep fucking up so it slowly becomes a bigger line. And then you're like, no, like I totally meant to do really thick eyeliner today, but like you totally fucking did it, because me too. Number 11 eyelashes. And then one day I came
These lashes are so bad. I think a part of my video didn't get like recorded, so if there's a part that's missing, I'm sorry. I just want to stick to her low budget brand. I'm joking. Alright, so I'm gonna put these on with some tweezers and I'll be right back.
Step to eyelashes is putting on mascara after you put on your eyelashes just to blend
like
your real eyelashes with your fake eyelashes. I think that it looks a million times better. And so my mascara of choice is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara Water.
Alright, so don't listen to her about how to do the mascara. Do not get waterproof mascara unless you really fucking live under the water. So I'm gonna use the normal Better Than Sex mascara, not the waterproof one. And I'm gonna don't do what she's saying. Like, do not put your mascara on after you do your lashes. Like, I think it's just so, like, I hate it. I can't do it. So I'm gonna do it. Because that's what she did. Because if you're like me and you're too impatient to wait for your eyelash glue to dry, the lash will, like, come up and, like, come off. And I just hate that. So, and also don't get this mascara. It's clumpy, it's shitty. Get, like, the benefit to, oh, I noticed that she has, like, foundation on her shirt. So I'm gonna get some... Yeah, alright, so she has foundation on her shirt, so I'm gonna get some... Let's... There. Wait, we need some more. Get the powder foundation, just rub it in. Yeah, there we go.
Finally, I'm going to put on lipstick. Why would it have a lid? Like, why would it have a lid? Just kidding, I found one with a lid, but this one is just covered in foundation, so I mean, you know. This is MAC's Honey Love lipstick.
Oh, I have MAC Honey Love lipstick. I actually bought this lipstick because of her. Like, we're around the same skin tone. I got a little bit darker than her, but I wanted, like, a good honey, like, a nude lipstick. I just bit my lip, ow. And I watched her video and she talked about it, and I just got a big ass fucking box from MAC when I got the, like, when I watched this video. And so, her favorite, like, she uses, like, the shade Honey Love all the time, so I'm gonna put that on. Alright, so I overlined it really shitty, and, like, and my lashes are, like, falling off. I'm almost Tana Mongeau. Like, we're getting there.
Also, really like the way the eyeshadow turned out, and I think I'm gonna wear this eyeshadow a lot more because
it's a cute eyeshadow look. She's not
cosmetics. Fucking fuck my pussy. I hope you guys enjoyed my How to Cake Your Face Like a Pro Part 3. Like I said in the beginning, everything is going to be linked below, so I did all of the work for you because I'm your.
I'm not gonna link it below because I'm a shitty beauty guru.
Next video. Bye.
Now her video is over, but I'm gonna come back with the filing touches. So, hold on. No, those aren't my tracks. That's my real hair. Hi, it's Tana Mongeau. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. No, that's my natural skin color. I didn't fake tan. Yeah, so my stalker actually bought me my Remarkable foundation. Hehe.